Baby, you got a bright future behind you.
Treat you better.
Bless them when there ain't no stressing. This one is straight for the girl, them.
We don't have to worry about nothing. We got the fire, and we burning one hell of a something.
And you could tell me if I'm off, but I see it on your face when you say that he's the one that you want. And you're spending all your time in this wrong situation. And anytime you want it to start,
Gonna wear that dress you like, skin tight. Do my hair up real nice. I syncopate my skin till your heart beating. I'm tired of being oh, there it goes. I sang too much, it overflowed. Why do I always spill? Every time that you get undressed, I hear symphonies in my head.
You can stand under my umbrella, ella, ella, yeah, yeah, yeah. Under my umbrella, ella, ella, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Set me free. Let me live that fantasy. Baby, we found love right where we are. I had a dream, we were back to 17. Summer nights and the libertines, never growing up. We're like diamonds in the sky.
You're a shooting star, I see a vision of ecstasy. When you hold me, I'm alive.
You talking money, need a hearing aid. You talking about me, I don't see a shade.
Something different. That's good, though. Good. Facebook, Instagram, Jabudo, I Shangas.
Instagram Zulu Babi and Facebook Manizanga.
Are we good? How was the shoot?
Yes, Superman Gondo. Yes, the Superman.
Well, it was a very good one. Actually, I'm considering giving it
Oh wow. We can't wait to have you. What was it?
No, it was okay. Never expected. I think I nailed it.
The weather?
Missed on a lot, but there's a next time. There's Botanic next time in March. You can find us, or you can go to Instagram, Mfanekiso _magazine, Facebook, Mfanekiso, or you can get yourself to Senzokai Mfanekiso, or you can.
So guys, today we're here at Mfanekiso. We're here in Umhlanga, Hills of Umhlanga. We were shooting, so I had a lot of fun. I had to meet Abantabaniti. I also had to meet Santo. So it was a great moment. So you guys missed out. So next time, you'd better come.
Alright, so and you? What can you say about the shoot and how was the experience? Did you enjoy yourself?
Yes, it was very nice. Yes, even though the weather was very bad, but then we did enjoy ourselves.
The shoot was amazing. It was nice. I enjoyed myself. Thank you.
And then people, they want to see the photos that we took of you. Where can they follow?
They can follow on Instagram, _magazine and
I'm talking about you.
Oh, me! Okay, on Instagram, Sabile.Bella, Facebook, Sabile Miandu. Yeah.
Did you enjoy yourself? What can you say to the people who didn't make it and those who came?
they missed out, hey?
A lot.
They missed out. Sihlangene nabantu abasha, abakhe, amanye boats, njengobantu babona. But if you didn't make it, you can still call Usenzo for a
private shoots. Inamba yakhe ngabe ngiyayibeza ngekhanda kodwa nizomthola ngokumfanekiso bani magazine. Yebo na website ithini mfanekiso.com. Mfanekiso.com. Yebo
For Instagram it's _magazine.
Oh, and my IG is Anela Martin SA.
Hello, ikawalam gimnasi pio biana.
Hi. Are you okay? Alright, good. Did you enjoy your photo shoot? How was it? Since it's your first time. Alright. Your name, where can people follow you?
Okay, Munomsa in a page on Facebook, Nomusa Instagram,
Alright. Thank you. Let's see what you were saying.
Yeah, my Instagram handle. Hello, my Instagram.
Talk to us. Let's people behind.
Oh, _Mamnguni on Instagram. Yes, Facebook Inobiana.
Cool. How are you?
Hey.
What can you say to the people?
It's a very great motion expo today. We're going to be starting the 3rd of April. Another expo. Are you on?
3rd of April, yeah, Pekin is on.
Pekin is on. This is Officer Matanga. It's Paradise Day.